Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. So today we will learn how we can get, let's say you are on some folder or you have some file, okay, and now you want to get that file path from Golang. Then how you can achieve that? Let's say you are in the main program, okay, now you have ./main file is there and you want to get full path of that file or its extension or its directory. So how you can achieve in the Golang. So today we will learn how we can get from the file full path directory plus file path in the Golang. So before that I have created a free Golang quick reference PDF ebook. So if you want to download, go to yourbackendbuddy.com and write your email ID and details. So you will get Golang quick reference PDF on your email and you can quickly revise your all the Golang concept easily. So that is completely free. I have given link in the description also. So I hope you will enjoy that. And now we will learn how we can use Golang to get the file path, directory and extension, everything, all the details. So let's learn. Okay, so here is the example in the Go programming language, like how we can get the file path. So let's begin. Here in the function main, so there is main.go. so in the current directory, let's say /, so this is current directory, main.go file is available. Okay, now you want to get the full path of that, like directory plus file path, then we can use filepath.Abs. so for the absolute path, for that it will get all the detailed path. So for using that file path, we will require a package filepath. So path/filepath. Okay, so that is the package path/filepath. That package is used. Now we can use that file path and dot and all the functionality available into this package. So here filepath.Abs. So here I have given /absolute that main.go file. So it will give full path here, and if any error, then it will return error, and if error, then we are printing here. So like if we will print this path, then it will be like E code, Backend Buddy, all the complete start to end path of that file, we will get full path. Okay, now let's say you want to get only the extension. Let's say here in this full file path, like only extension is .go. Okay, so for getting extension, you have to pass this path inside the filepath.Ext. so if you pass here, then ex.ext will give you extension. If you print here, it will give only the .go. Okay, now if you want to print base means like our file is there, main.go. okay, that is our base. So that is base and this is called the directory. So directory plus base is a full path. So it will print only main.go, that is our base file is there. And if you want to print directory, then there is a filepath.Dir and you have to give this path. So it will fetch these things and give only the directory path here. So it will be like here up to without this main.go this much. Okay, so it will display. So here we have learned, like if we want to get a file path, extension or directory base, then we can use path/filepath package. So it gives the features like filepath.Abs, which absolute path /, wherever you are in current directory and you want to give that particular files using let's say // or // kind of that way, backward forward, and give that file name, then in that it will give you full path of the directory plus file. Extension, only extension. Base means only that file. Then file path directory is only for the directory. So these are the mainly concept of the path/file path in the Go programming language. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt, then write in the comment. So whenever I get time, I will reply you. And if you are new and not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will give me a motivation to deliver you more backend development content. And don't forget to press on the bell icon. And yeah, I have also created the Golang quick reference book PDF file. So you can visit to the yourbackendbuddy.com. I have given link in the description also. So you can register your email and you will get your Golang quick reference PDF on your email. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.